The time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking these out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a check on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. This is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame, and this has been on uptrend for a while. Okay, so first of all, I'm using the trend maker trader indicator to do my analysis right from here. So GainX 1200 has been on uptrend for a while, and it has been having major pullbacks in between. It played around there for a while, but broke out above it to get to this resistance zone. Okay, so it has not been able to break out from that resistance zone. So this actually gave us a downtrend signal at this point, and it has been selling since then. Even though just the way we have seen this has actually gotten to the same place it has been getting to. We can see it right here, and right from there it will now pull back. Okay, and that is exactly what we are experiencing right here. So it has not been able to break out from here. If it breaks out from here, then it's going to sell on, but if it does not, it will go back on buy trend. Okay, so this is trying to buy for a while, except if it breaks out from here, that is when it's going to sell more. So for now, this is still buying at the moment. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999, and this has been on downtrend right from here. Okay, it has been on downtrend right from here. It has been selling since then, and it is still selling. Broke out from this particular support zone, so it is still selling right now. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 1200. Okay, and of course, after getting to this region, this actually went on uptrend and broke out from this resistance zone, and it has gotten to this particular spot. Okay, so it has not been able to break out from here, so it's trying to go back on downtrend. That's giving us a downtrend signal, and of course a sell signal, so we expect it to sell more. Okay, let's look at possible entry points. Okay, so probably somewhere here, and the stop loss should be somewhere here. And let me add some TPs to it. So this should be first TP, second one, third one, and fourth one. Okay, so you guys can take advantage of this opportunity right from there. Okay, so this should be giving us more selling opportunity than buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 999. I got this signal earlier today, and I posted it within the Telegram channel. For those of you who are able to pick up this signal, congratulations to you all. Okay, it gave us a downtrend signal and of course sell signal. So I highlighted our entry point, our stop loss, and some TPs, and all the four TPs have been achieved. Congratulations to those who are able to achieve this. This is still selling. If it's unable to break out from the next support zone, then it will switch into an uptrend. But for now, it is still selling. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. FX volume 80 has been on a very strong downtrend, and it has broken out from most support zones. Okay, it started from here. Check it out. It has broken out from most support zones to sell more, and it is still on downtrend. So this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply it carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you can try it out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.